In case you are running a small business right now, you definitely do not want to deal with a CRM that is a total nightmare to figure out. That is where Bigin by Zoho CRM really starts to make a lot of sense. Even though Zoho has a big flagship CRM, Bigin is its own thing. It is their lean, AI-ready CRM made for small teams that need to stay productive. It is set up for AI workflows so you can easily connect AI like Claude to get better data and build agents to chat with folks or sort your files. Today, we are looking at Bigin to see how it keeps things simple while offering the smart, modern features small businesses actually want. Moving right into how the tool actually feels, the first thing we saw is how nice and easy it is to use. When we create an account, Bigin doesn't bury us in setup wizards or complex modules. Instead, we jump straight into the pipeline view. There are 30+ pipeline templates available for different teams and industries that can be customized based on business requirements. This is intentional because for any small business, the pipeline gives a complete view of what's going on, which deals are closed and which are stuck, all at a single glance. It feels really natural. The screen is made with a left to right logic that makes navigation second nature. On the left sidebar, we have our core features: pipelines, contacts, companies, products, and activities, and dashboard, neatly tucked away. If you integrate WhatsApp's chat with Bigin, then a messages module will also be added there. Then, looking at the top right corner, there's a handy shortcut button for creating new records on the fly right alongside your notifications, signals, and settings. If you've ever used the full Zoho CRM, these elements will feel very familiar, but they're much more streamlined here. We also love that we can toggle between light and dark modes depending on your vibe. Overall, the user experience is incredibly simple, which is exactly what a small team needs to stay productive without a steep learning curve. Now we should talk about how Bigin keeps track of all our customer info. The contacts and companies parts are really like the brain of the CRM. In Bigin, these are kept as two different but very linked groups. When we add someone, we can connect them to a business, which quickly brings all the notes from every worker into one single view. This stops that bad timing where two people on our team might call the same person with different facts. One of the most helpful tools we found is the Email In feature. It lets us set up names so that new emails from clients go right into the correct person's file. Today, having the right facts is key, so Bigin also has a card scanner in the phone app. If we are at a meeting, we just take a picture of a business card, and Bigin fills in the info for us. Users can import existing contacts if they are stored in spreadsheets, notes, or other CRMs with just a few clicks. It's these small, thoughtful touches that save us hours of manual data entry every week. Let's take a look at the pipelines now, because this is the part where Bigin really shows its worth. This whole section is made to help you see all of your work very clearly. The main screen uses a Kanban board, which lets us drag and drop deals from one stage to another, but we can easily switch to a list or sheet view. When we click on a deal card, it opens up a world of information. We can see contact details, company info, and even specific tags or descriptions that help us keep things organized. What's really cool is the 360-degree view inside each card. We can see the entire timeline of interactions, notes, and even stage history to see exactly where a deal might have stalled. The integration is so tight that we can actually collect payments or send emails directly from the deal record without ever switching tabs. Another unique feature of Bigin's pipeline setup is that we aren't limited to just one flow. We can add sub-pipelines, as many as the business requires. This is very useful because if your business has a sale and you need to have different sales pipelines for different regions, you can create sub-pipelines. Managing them all from one place keeps the whole team aligned. Plus, if you're not sure where to start, Bigin provides a library of pipeline templates tailored for different industries like real estate, law, or e-commerce. We just pick a template and the stages are already built for you, so we don't have to create anything from scratch. Going further into how we sell, we see the products part of the tool. Even though Bigin is a light CRM, it has the main things any product-based business needs. We can keep a clear list of all we sell, including the price and details. When we work on a deal in the pipeline, we can quickly link certain products to that deal. What we found particularly useful is the two-way sync with accounting tools like Zoho Books or QuickBooks. This means when we add a product to a deal in Bigin, it reflects correctly for invoicing later. It's not just a digital filing cabinet, it's a functional tool that helps us track which products are our best sellers and which ones might need a little more marketing push. For a small business, having this level of inventory and product deal association without a complex ERP system is a huge win. As we keep going through our work, we use the activities part, which is where all the actual work gets done. There is now a beautiful calendar view available on the activities page, which gives us a clear map of what's coming next. One of the key features here is the booking pages integration. This is a massive update because it allows us to share a link with clients so they can book meetings based on our real-time availability. No more back and forth, "Are you free at 2 p.m. emails. From this section, we can also create tasks, schedule events, and even make calls directly if we have the telephony integration set up. In fact, we can make and receive direct calls right from Bigin. This is huge because support people won't have to dig through different software for handling customer queries and calls. As for sync options, we've got full integration with Google Calendar and Microsoft Calendar. This ensures that if we book a personal appointment on our phone, it shows up as busy in Bigin, preventing any scheduling conflicts. It's all about making sure nothing falls through the cracks while we're busy growing the business. In the end, we think Bigin is the best choice for very small businesses and teams that feel other CRMs have too many confusing parts. It gives you just what you need with a mix of easy tools and professional features. If you want to stop using spreadsheets and finally see everything about your customers in one place, Bigin is the way to go. Check the description to start your free trial today. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to see more videos like this.